Are you really interested in making money online? Have you wondered if you are going to get money into your PayPal account? This is why I am here. In this video, I'm going to show you a website which will pay you $2 just to like videos. Don't worry, this is worldwide. It doesn't matter whether you are in USA, whether you are in the United Kingdom, whether you are in Africa. No matter where you are, you can make money with this website that I'm going to show you. So the name of the website is
Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.
Guys, welcome back. My name is Nana Yao, and I do videos about how to make money online and then learn at the same time. So if you are interested in that, this is your first time landing on my page, all you gotta do is you hit on that subscribe button and the notification bell so that you'll be the first person to know anytime I drop videos like this. So as I said, in this video I'm going to show you a website which will pay you $2 just to like videos. So with that being said, let's head over into my screen and then okay, so this is a short video, so make sure you watch it to the end. Actually, this is the website that I'm talking about. I'm actually going to mention the name at the end of the video so that you stay with me and then learn everything step to step. This is what they offer, I mean their services. You can come here as an employee or as an employer, and then you can also work here as a worker. So this is what employees got to do. The employees or the employers ask people to blog about their products, post reviews to websites and blogs, and then add you to Facebook, become fan of your group, follow you on Twitter, take your website, and then much more. So that is what employers offers workers. So actually this is what workers also do. Workers also sign up and then browse micro jobs, select jobs you like, and then you finish tasks and submit proofs, and then you earn money for that. This is as easy as that. And then they pay through PayPal, which is really legit and really good. So as I said, I will mention the name at the end of this video, so make sure you watch it to the end. So when you are here, all you have to do is you click on this sign up button. Let me zoom it so that you see it clear. This is the sign up button, which is sign up now. When you click on it, it will bring you to this page. So all you got to do is you fill in, you put in your name here, and then your email address. I'll search for YouTube, and then you hit enter on your keyboard. So when you search for it, you are going to be given a bunch of YouTube works that you can do to earn some extra income. So this one is a UK based, which is 20 subscribers and like share on YouTube. You are not interested in that one, so this is what you can do. You can watch videos on YouTube, you can like videos on YouTube, you can share YouTube videos, you can comment and then subscribe, and then you are going to get paid for that. So as you can see here, as I said, you do, there's no need to use a VPN. So if you are in the United Kingdom, you can just click on this job and then start doing it. If you are in the United States, you can click on this, but if you are in Germany, you can also click on that. But if that is not your country, don't do it. Yes, don't do it. Don't do it. If your country is not mentioned here, all you have to do is you come down, you find a job for yourself. As you can see here, international. This is international. So you can do all of these jobs since they are in international, and people in the United States, United Kingdom, and then Germany can also do these international jobs as well. So once you hear this green color, let me show you something. This green color means that these jobs are open and then they are ready to be done. It has not been closed, that's what I mean. So if you see the green color, that means the job is still available and then they are still looking for people to do them. So all you have to do is you click on the international one of them, like what you interested in. You look at the payout and which interests you. I mean, which of them do you like? So you click on them, or you click on that one. Let me click on it. Okay, it's loading. Very good. So when you click on it, this is what you're going to see. It's going to open another page which will give you the requirements, what you need to do when you click on the link to get to their maybe YouTube page or YouTube channel. What you got to do after you land on the channel. So make sure you read this carefully and then you don't make any mistake, because if you make any mistake, you are not going to get paid. So make sure you pay attention and then you read all of these when you are here, so that it will be easy for you. So search on YouTube for this keyword, pure VPN review James Young, and then find a video with thumbnail and first name this. So when you click on this, I think it's going to give you the name and then the thumbnail which you are going to looking for on YouTube, so that you do or you like the right video or something like that. So make sure you take your time and read when it takes you here. But then after that, they will also require proof, so you can take screenshots, and then when you are done, you can come to this page and then you confirm that I followed the instruction and completed this task, and you are going to get paid for that. As simple as that. You're going to earn easy and free money for this one. And then guys, this is really legit. It's not fake, it's really legit. People are getting paid, people are using it and getting paid. So what are you waiting for? Check it out and then start using it. And then when you click on withdraw, very good, this one you can place a withdrawal request only if your balance is over $8. So the minimum payment is $8. So you can do the tax, and when you reach $8, you can just request for payout. And then for a withdrawal sent to admin, first one is your email on the site. So make sure you sign up with your PayPal email so that you get paid when you request for payout. So sign up with your PayPal email, and then your PayPal email that you want the payment sent to, and then IP address and the last login for the top right. So your payment will be sent within 24 hours to 48 hours, which means 2 days intervals. Let's give it at 3 days or something like that. So that is really cool. Some service sites or some sites, when you request for payout, it takes like months and then weeks, but this one only takes 2 days and then your payment will get to you, which is really amazing. So it's really legit, as I was saying. So make sure you check it out. And when you come here, if you don't understand anything or if you don't find this video useful, if you something bothering you, you can click on these tutorials and then you learn how to use this website when you are here. So this is really legit. It's not only about doing liking videos on YouTube, but there are a bunch of works you can also do for payment. So all you got to do is, if you're not interested in that one, you come here to, where it says most paying. Let me zoom it so that you see it well. Okay, so as you can see here, this is most paying. So you can click on that one. On the most paying, it's going to show you a bunch of works you can do for high payments. Yes, this is high payments. You can see here, this is available in USA, which is paying $5, and then this one is also paying $4.2, and the it's really easy. US only, sign up and earn $5. Wow, this is really legit and easy money. All you have to do is when you click on this, they will give you a website to go. You just sign up and then you are going to earn this money. This is as simple as ABC. And then international, you can also be doing this and then be earning money sign up and verify, and then you get this amount, which is 8 cents. You can do this over and over again to earn more or to be making more money. And some of the other jobs also pay higher than what you're seeing right now, and then the jobs are updated every second or minute. So make sure you check this out. This is really legit, and I expect all my subscribers to take notes and then use this website. So guys, as I said, I'll keep this video long, so I would like to end here. I hope you found this video useful. So if you did, all you have to do is you smash on that like button or give me a thumbs up. As I always say, it gives me motivation. Wow, people are liking my videos, people love what I do, so it motivates me to do more researches like this and bring you results. So make sure you smash on the like button, or you give me a thumbs up, and then comment, share for more. But then if you are new to this channel and you are interested in making money online and learn at the same time, this is what I do every day. My name is Nana Yao, and I upload videos daily basis about how to make money online and then learn at the same time. So all you have to do is you hit on that subscribe button and the notification bell, so that I'll send you notifications anytime I drop beautiful videos like this. Hope to see you next time in the next video.